pocket knives. Any guy worth his salt carries one every single day. But do you really know how to sharpen one? There's a lot of different ways to make that happen. There's whetstones, there's dry stones, there's grinders, there's portables. Let's talk about a sharpener I came across for my birthday from my dad. Now this is the first unboxing. The principle of the WorkSharp benchtop sharpener is basically like a miniature belt sander. It comes with a bunch of different belts that are different grits, and you can basically take an old pocket knife that's in about a shape as a butter knife and get that thing back to razor sharp. Let's check it out. This knife right here was given to me by my brother-in-law, and it's one of my largest folding pocket knives. This one was given to me by my grandfather, a World War II Navy vet, and is one of my prized possessions. This Ace Hardware Swiss Army knockoff was given to me by a buddy, and this one was given to me by my son. The instructions for this piece of equipment are easy to read and understand. Right off the bat, this thing's ready to go. The price point on something like this is about $90. Sorry, Dad, I had to look it up for the video. Now putting the belts on, pretty easy. There's a spring-loaded carrier. Push that bad boy down and you're ready to go. There's a plastic guard that you slide on, and that helps you attain the shape and edge that you want to put on your pocket knife. Now the machine guides the way you're going to hold your knife. It actually gives you the angle just by setting it in the machine. So you don't want to force anything or do anything erratic while the blade's in there. You just want to let it ride and pull it through gently. You guys might think that I'm holding on to this thing a little bit strangely, and I am. This is my first use with it. And I'm a lefty, so trying to figure out how I wanted to hold it was a little bit clunky. I think I have some ideas on that now, looking back. So the WorkSharp sharpener comes with several belts. And those are just what come with the kit. They offer a lot of other grits, which I really think would round out kind of your sharpening experience. They start pretty rough, 200 grit, 400 grit, all the way down to one that's so smooth it kind of acts as a polisher or like a leather strop. So the edges that I put on these knives are pretty dang good. But that really smooth, sharp edge that you get with a whetstone, I wasn't able to attain that with this device without ordering the in-between belt sizes and really working from a rough one all the way to the strop. So this is an unboxing experience with what you get in the box. Now at this point, these blades are getting pretty sharp, and we have switched to the polishing belt. If you guys are wondering about time on this, I know this isn't an off-grid tool. I know this is a workbench tool, so obviously we got to plug it in. I did all this in just about as long as the video clip you're watching. So there's no gimmicks here. I didn't speed anything up. It really does work that good and that fast. Oh, I'm going to speed up the camera here though. Now, I'm the worst at sharpening pocket knives. When I say that, I never do it. I just buy another one. And, you know, I got a garage drawer full of these things. And some of my more special knives that meant something to me, I thought it was really time to get them sharpened. My sons are getting interested in pocket knives. They're both in scouting. So, yeah, we're sharpening knives today. Just for the heck of it, I even tried one of our kitchen knives, which worked pretty dang good, I thought. And here's a last-minute paper test on some of the knives that we sharpened, and seemed good enough for what I carry around. All in all, I'm pretty dang happy with the Work Sharp outdoor sharpener. It was a gift from my dad, like I said, and it's definitely got its place in your garage or in your shop. It makes quick work of sharpening knives. I'd recommend it to anybody, and it has really high ratings on Google. Check it out. Thank you for watching my video about the Work Sharp Outdoor Sharpener, and thanks for watching my lonely mountain. And have a good one.